guys? Goes to review this time back here with some seats. I'm currently driving in Cincy because I actually got some sports seats. So you're gonna see a video here soon about me installing my sports seats, and I have the window open because I'm going to downshift in the tunnel, as you know, BQ owners do. You didn't see anything. But yeah, so I'm gonna install those sports seats, and I just want to update you guys on the first half of this video. So yeah, it's the first step. Also, I hope you guys enjoyed the update on the car itself. I ended up getting these sports seats for legitimately, I think it was actually like 200, which is not bad, 100 per seat. And they're both front seats, so that's pretty awesome. I am sitting very uncomfortably. I wish you guys could see the actual situation here. It's really funny because I am positioned so far up on the wheel, and it feels like I'm driving a bus. It feels like I'm driving a bus, and it's just hilarious. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to driving, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. It's just the intro. So yeah, see you guys soon. Alright, hey, what's up guys? Goes back here a few days later. So I got the seats and I actually installed them. It was a whole journey, but here's my driver's side right there, so that's pretty cool. I got it out and I'll show you guys I won't be able to do it on camera though. This is just, that's the other seat right there. Go ahead and go to my car real quick and I'll show you how to install them. So if we go into my car here, these are the seats. There's here, that's the sport seats there. They got white stitching on the side there. Bolsters blow up on this one, but not on the passenger side. And actually, I can show you here. So look, it's going down, so they're not as bolstered. They pump up, which is pretty nice. And don't mind the mess. My car is really dirty, so. But here, that moves as well. So if I can get it in there. But it was such a pain in doing this, and the reason I didn't record it because I threw out my back. So how you install these seats right here is you go ahead and unbolt a bolt here, a bolt over there, and then there's two in the back. There's 3 Orion harnesses on the bottom of the seats. You unplug those, and luckily, any G36, which is a 2008 to 2013, is a plug and play. So that's pretty nice. So everything on the seat works, including the heated seats, which is awesome. So if you see any seats that's the sedan seats like this, be sure to go ahead and get them because I got these for $100 each. Like each seat was $100, which is pretty nice. And as I said, everything works. This one also has a power middle back brace. So that's what this is down here. It's a power middle back brace. So see it moving out here. But I never used that, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. And then these seats are actually not in bad condition at all. They're very similar to how my old seats were. But yeah, so that's the seat install there. Keep in mind these clips, they do like to not come out. So whenever you put them out, make sure to put them back. I mean, I'll show you this real quick. So back here, literally this one isn't even in. It's just sitting on my seat right here, because it wouldn't go back in because it kind of, you know, had a little bit of snap or whatever. But yeah, overall, I don't even need that, to be honest. I'm not going to use it because, you know, the seat itself is fine how it is. But yeah, the guy, shout out to Benjamin because he got me these seats for the price and everything. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.